Vestil Manufacturing offers a wide variety of carts, dollies, and other helpful products for moving almost any awkwardly shaped or heavy object that you may encounter in your line of work. Vestil Manufacturing's carts come in many different sizes and configurations. Our stock picker cart is great for pulling items off warehouse shelves when orders come in. They come in several different sizes and heights, but spring-loaded stabilizing legs come standard. Our A-frame cart is great for electrical and plumbing purposes. This cart comes with arms that extend 12 inches. This allows you to use this cart for storage or the transporting of conduit, extension cords, piping, and more. We also carry simplistic plastic and aluminum carts. Plastic carts work well in office settings for moving mail and other office materials, and it folds up easily to fit in your car trunk. Aluminum carts are simple yet incredibly useful in almost any industrial setting. You can find dollies here at Vestil too. They come in many different styles for different uses. Our Pallet Dolly is a great alternative to a pallet truck. The tilt-style Pallet Dolly allows you to spin the dolly on the center axle. We offer many other dollies for a diverse number of uses. Hand trucks are a staple here at Vestil. We have hand trucks for the 9-to-5 businessman or the appliance installer, and everything in between. Our Foldaway hand truck is great for carrying boxes of files or papers. It is lightweight and compact. It folds flat so it can fit in any vehicle. Vestil's Appliance hand truck is a unique style that makes moving or installing appliances a breeze. Its safety strap and retractable casters take all the weight off of the laborer. Please visit Vestil.com to download our catalog or browse through our other carts and dollies. We're Vestil Manufacturing. We've got it.